In front of me is Doogee S Punk, and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to hit Security and Privacy. Then scroll down again to tap on Device Unlock and click on Screen Lock. Now pick one of those login methods, pattern, PIN or password. Create it. Select Next at the bottom right corner and repeat it to confirm it. Then hit Confirm. Now it's time to apply one of those options to adjust your lock screen notifications. Then hit Done and go back. So when I switch off my screen and turn it back on, I can see that pattern is required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!